على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, all praises, all appreciates due to Allah, only for Allah, the sustainer, the cherisher, the creator, the emperor, the king of the whole world, and uncountable peace be upon last messenger, great prophet, holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his family and companions and the whole mankind. And the Honorable Principal of Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah, Dr. Muhammad Abu Yusuf Khan, presiding over the prize giving ceremony 2023, and also present in this function, respectable and most valuable guests, and also present respected Vice Principal of Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah, Dr. Muhammad Khalilur Rahman Madani, and general guests, honorable teachers, dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, I am feeling most honored and delighted to have a chance to deliver my speech in this amazing program, and my gratitude to the authority to arrange such graceful function. And nowadays, Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah is a history in the field of Islamic education. We know that Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah has become a great icon in Bangladesh for its own quality, and glamorous performance. It is a modern residential and amazing institution inaugurated first in a historical moment in 1963. Honorable guests, from the very beginning of its establishment, Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah has been speeding ahead to its enlightened destination. The institution is an amazing blend of deep Islamic knowledge, Islamic and moral education to produce honest and expert citizens, and dynamic leadership for the nation and the Muslim Ummah as well. The audience will know that the madrasa has a glorious record to foster a highly knowledgeable learners, and they secure their position in a Dhaka University, Buet, or medical colleges, and get especially a scholarship in abroad. Every year, a number of students receiving higher study from that and take part other organization and different government, semi-government and private offices of our country. Many of us go abroad every year for higher studies in Jamia Azhar University, in Medina University, in Qura University, King Saud University, much more with scholarship, and managed to have a lot of challenging and prestigious jobs with handsome salaries that supplement our national remittance. For the growing national demand, Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah had to open several batches for boys and girls separately. And also, the main campus are recognized the best campus, best educational institutions more than ours. It is really a matter, great achievement. And that in 2022, our honorable principal, Dr. Mufti Muhammad Abu Yusuf Khan, has been nominated the best principal of our country. The audience, if you look the history of Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah, every year Tamirul Millat Kamil Madrasah arranges cultural festivals in 21 events, including science fair, Pitha Utsav as the co-curricular or extracurricular activities. The students take participate in those events with great enthusiasm, favor. This award ceremony is for those who have become champion in the competition. Our army is thanking for you all, particularly our chief guest and special guests, and all pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.